Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we will be learning about biomolecules, one of the most important topic in class 11 biology and NEET preparation. By the end of this session, you will understand what biomolecules are, their major types and their functions in living organisms. So let's get started. Introduction to biomolecules. Imagine a city. A city needs roads, buildings, electricity, and a communication system to function properly. Similarly, our body needs different types of molecules to grow, produce energy, repair tissues, and store genetic information. These molecules are called biomolecules. Biomolecules are the organic compounds present in living organisms. They are essential for life and perform various functions inside the cell. The four major types of biomolecules are carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. Each biomolecule has a specific role. Some provide energy, some build body structure, some store energy, and some carry genetic information. Carbohydrates. Think of carbohydrates as a fuel of a vehicle. Just as a vehicle cannot move without fuel, our body cannot perform its activities without energy. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for living organisms. They are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. When we eat foods such as rice, bread, potatoes, or fruits, the carbohydrates present in them are broken down into glucose. This glucose is then used by cells to produce energy. Besides providing energy, carbohydrates also help in energy storage. Plants store carbohydrates as starch, whereas animals store them as glycogen. Proteins. Proteins can be compared to the bricks and workers used to build a house. They help in growth, repair, and maintenance of body tissues. Proteins are made up of smaller units called as amino acids. They perform a wide variety of functions in the body. Some proteins act as enzymes that speed up chemical reactions, while others act as hormones, antibodies, or transport molecules within the cell. For example, hemoglobin carries oxygen in the blood, insulin regulates blood sugar levels, and antibodies help protect us from infections. Lipids. Lipids are like a reserve fuel tank. When the body does not get enough energy from carbohydrates, it uses stored fats for energy. Lipids include fats, oils, and waxes. They are rich sources of energy and store more energy than carbohydrates. Apart from energy storage, lipid also helps in insulation and protection of organs. An important function of lipids is their role in forming cell membranes. Every cell in our body is surrounded by a membrane that contains lipids, which help maintain the cell structure and regulate the movement of substances in and out of the cell. Nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are like the instruction manual of a cell. Just as a recipe book contains instructions for preparing different dishes, nucleic acids contain instructions for building and maintaining living organisms. The two main nucleic acids are DNA and RNA. DNA stores genetic information and passes it from parents to offspring. RNA helps in synthesis of proteins based on the form information stored in DNA. Without nucleic acids, cells would not know how to grow, divide, or perform their function. So, students, let's practice some MCQs. First one: which biomolecule is known as the building block of the body? Options: carbohydrate, protein, lipids, and vitamins. As we all know, it's protein. So let's go into the next question. DNA belongs to which group of biomolecules? Option A lipids, proteins, nucleic acids, and carbohydrates. Yes, you are right. It's nucleic acid. So, let's quickly recap what we learned today. Biomolecules are the organic compounds present in living organisms. The four major types of biomolecules are carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. Carbohydrates are the monosaccharides which helps in providing energy. Proteins are the amino acids which helps in growth and repair. Lipids are formed from fatty acids and glycerols which store energy and form cell membranes. And nucleic acids are stores genetic information. I hope this session helped you understand the topic clearly. Students, let's learn in detail about carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids in further sessions. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and stay curious about biology. See you in next lesson. Have a great day.